while since we filmed a little hiking vlog. We're in Glacier National Park.
What's up?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
It is Saturday. I was supposed to fly home to Maryland 2 days ago, and we were gonna go to New England for 10 days. And then Bree and I decided, why don't we just go to Canada instead? So we called Hayden. I canceled my flight. Hayden booked the flight. Here we are in Glacier National Park, Montana. Bree and I drove from Denver. Hayden came from Jackson. And yeah, we're getting after today. We're going to Iceberg Lake. So we're just getting packed up right now. Jeez, dude, let me see that. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm delirious. I woke up with such a bad headache. But the sky is getting clear and we're hiking, so I'm so pumped.
New everything, bro. So the weather is beautiful. not beautiful. It's absolute shit. So camera's going away. Pull out the GoPro. Audio might suck, so maybe we'll just do some B-roll. But sun is coming through, so hopefully the storm passes and we have a good day. But yeah, not off to a great start. So we are resorting to the iPhone vlog because it's still raining, so the camera's not out, and my GoPro said SD card reader, so hopefully all that footage didn't go to shit. But we are like 3/4 of a mile in. Got some blue skies, that's a good sign. I believe we're on back there. Behind me, we have some beautiful peaks in Iceberg Lake. Looks super sick. We can't see anything. Hopefully that changes up there. Hi, Bree. Like a wet dog.
Low visibility, but we're stoked to see the lake. I think it will be very much worth it.
What's that?
What's what? What?
It's Hayden taking a piss.
Oh, I was like, I don't know what is it. And Kevin's rain cover does not work. How do you feel about that?
Oh, my shit's wet. Just kidding, just the top, it's fine. What is that?
That's a good huckleberry.
If I die, I'm blaming Hayden and Bree. We're all eating huckleberry. came over here to this scree field under Mount Gulper to get a little higher vantage point of the lake rather than the spots way over there that everyone kind of goes to. Everything's soaked. Pretty miserable, but beautiful.
It's like the same everywhere, so like you could definitely go to the spot that everyone goes to. It's still equally safe in my opinion.
I like it over here a lot. Bree doesn't.
I don't feel comfortable on this super steep scree stuff, but that's just me.
Yeah, it's sick everywhere, but we are gonna make our way back over there and then head back. We thought the rain would let up, but it is not letting up at all. Bree has this thing where she thinks the rain is fun and exciting and amazing and beautiful. And I fucking hate it. Aside from the thousands of dollars of equipment I have in my bag.
I don't know if you can tell, but it's soaked. I wonder if it would grip.
Yeah, give me
I don't know.
give me a squeeze.
It's not that wet, but it's pretty wet.
When you bushwhack in the rain, this is what you get.
You're so wet.
Head to toe. I think my only dry piece of clothing is my socks, thank God.
Evidently in your crotch
Yeah,
too.
it's my crotch. Come on, let's spread this. His big boy. Oh, he's making it look extra long.
Yeah,
That's cheating. That is cheating when you put an extra 4 inches in. Look at that thing. And no, in the zoom you got even more. Look at this thing. That thing is bigger than your arm. Slowly making our way back. But look at these mountains. Can't not time lapse here every like 100 feet now that it's not raining. The sun's almost down, but we're trying to get the one sunspot. I think my shadow's getting it. We're trying to dry out all of our stuff because we're hiking again in like 6 hours. But we're at camp, sun is out, which is awesome. Bree's getting some wine, I'm gonna drink some Eccos, and we're gonna have a fire, make some hot dogs, have an awesome night before our 2 a.m. wake up tomorrow.
Our stuff is all wet. We're waking up at 2 a.m. tomorrow. And there's just not enough hours to grill hot dogs, sleep, hot tub, drink wine, and get our things dry. So I say I want a hot tub no matter what.
Whoa, that's so sweet.
He's very preoccupied though.
Yeah.
So I'm okay with it.
That is about to be it for the night. We just saw a bear, which was wild. Today's hike was unbelievable. So, time for some hot dogs and then bed, and I'll see you guys on the next